Spend the day with me and my aunts in downtown Kingston. We went to King Street to look for some hats for an amazing upcoming event that you have to stay tuned for. When I tell you your girl almost lost her mind in this store, you know I love hats, and they were not short of any type of style here. Now you know I had to represent my black, gold, and green.
Very cute. Very mindful, very demure.
Child, all that hat shopping got us hungry, so then we decided to go to Devon house for lunch. And of course, you know I had to get my favorite thing in the world, the lobster patty. Look on lobster chunks, when I tell you, fantastic. Of course, I had to bring home my favorite thing in the world, an icebox cake. Yay!